guys, for now, Salmon Finance naman ang bibigyan natin ng madaliang reviews and ratings. Disclaimer again, hindi po ito sponsored but based on my own experience. So here we go. Registered sa SEC, kaya legit. Ginisa itong Salmon Finance sa Senado. At tinignan ko sa Google, napakaraming negative reviews. Tapos yung friend ko, hindi siya na-approve. But on my case, so far, okay naman. Madali lang ang pag-apply, same-day approval at release. No payslip needed. One valid ID lang, personal info, and as usual, face authentication. At ang maganda, sa first loan ko, 10K agad. But, kahit naka-third loan na ako, 10K pa din, dito mataas. But, good thing, matatanggap mo ng buo. Later na yung bayad sa interest at fee, nabababa lang naman. At, hanggang 2 months to pay. Kung maaga magbayad, mas maliit ang interest. Like nung una kong hiram, February 10, binalik ko agad ng March 10. Ang interest ay 876.54 lang. So, maliit lang, compare sa ibang OLA. Buo ang pagbayad, yun lang, no? Installment basis. Kaya for me, 4.8 star. 5 sana it ma-increase. So, may idea na kayo guys kung i-consider nyo ba si Salmon Finance in case of emergency. That's for now, and stay tuned at Utang Queen for more updates. Bye for now, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys and like. Thank you.